Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to check your battery health on Android. In order to do this, we need to go to our Play Store and download two apps. The first app we will download is the A Battery Health app. We have the A Battery app here and we're going to click on install. The next app we will be downloading is the Shizuku app. So we're going to click on install. And after installation, we're going to open our Shizuku app. And then we're going to click on start here to start the service. Now, depending on your device, you might have to enable wireless debugging in developer options. So we're going to go over to developer options and look for wireless debugging. It's also important to note that if we stop wireless debugging in our settings later, this app will not function accordingly. So in order to enable developer options, we're going to go over to settings. And here in settings, we're going to go down to the bottom and under about phone, we're going to tap on it and scroll down to the bottom. And under build number, we will tap until developer options activate. You will be required to enter your PIN. And after entering your PIN, you can go back and go over to system. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and here you have developer options. Under developer options, we're going to go over to wireless debugging. Here we have wireless debugging and then we're going to allow this network. And then we're going to go back to the Shizuku app. And now we can see the service is running. We're going to go now over to A Battery Health app. So here in the A Battery app, you can now see the health info, which is good. So this is how to check your battery health on Android.